Welcome to Royal Infinitum Weekly Market Reflection. Every Sunday, I break down the key currency pairs I'm watching for the coming week. For this new week now, I'm going to break the currency pairs on my watch list with calm clarity, structure, and a focus on micro trend direction. Please note, this is not a financial advice. This is my personal market outlook based on structure, probability, and discipline trading. This last week, the market was not really moving, sincerely speaking. I don't know what is really happening. We don't see major trend on the dollar pair, especially Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD CHF, which are my currency pair. So I don't see move like that on them. It's just like the market is just, let's say last week is choppy for me. I'll call it choppy because there's no big move in the market in the industry last week. So this current week we are today Sunday, we are in new week. This current week we are, I'm expecting the market to give us a new move. Like we should have the market should move more than last week, because this week we have FOMC. We are going to talk this week, and this week we are in new. That means this will be in new month. So we definitely have to have an NFP. NFP have to come out on Friday as well again. I don't know what they're doing in America. So that's it. So my trading psychology is very simple. I trade using what everybody's use. I use candlestick like everybody, and I use support and resistance like everybody with micro trend direction. That's my trading psychology, and I trade what the market give me. So I trade what the market confirm. I trade what my pattern of trading, my strategy confirmed to me. Then I pick my position. So let's go to the chart and let's do some things about the chart. Sorry. So we can see Euro USD now. We're starting with Euro USD. You can see Euro USD now. Euro USD on a weekly time frame. You can see the current types of market we are on Euro USD now. Is this something that is encouraging? I don't think it's something that is encouraging. The current trend we are, the current types of market that is present on Euro USD now on a weekly time frame is a choppy market. We all know this is choppy. So I don't think anybody can trade this. It's a shopping market. You have to step aside and leave the market and leave Euro USD for now. So that's my advice for everybody now. Leave Euro USD, bro. It's a shopping market on weekly time frame. The shopping market on weekly time frame, sincerely speaking. You can even see the candlestick there, that the candlestick are not encouraging. The candlestick are not encouraging at all. So let's get to UPSD. We don't have to waste our time because Euro USD is choppy for now on a weekly time frame. So GBP USD on a weekly time frame, I don't think this is choppy. This is different from Euro USD. You can see before we are in a range band market here, and the range band market has been cleared. So definitely we are on a downward trend market, and types of market there is downtrend. Type of market is a trending market and no more a ranging market. So we can say this is a high, higher low, lower high, lower low, and currently you have to come back for a lower high as well again. So definitely we are on trending market. We don't know, maybe the trending market will yield or not, but we're in trading market. So that's it. So determine the types of market on weekly time frame, and withdraw our support and resistance as well again on the weekly time frame. So let's go to the daily time frame to look for the daily, to look for the, how will I call it, the micro trend direction of the market. So the micro trend direction of the market must as well again align with the what, with types of markets we are on our weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you can see a lower low and currently lower. Definitely we have to expect an equal low or a new lower low. So that's it. So now on daily time frame, what's the micro trend direction on this? We have something like a high, a low here, a high here, and this is a higher low, because this low is what is higher than the previous low, and now we are having a new high that is higher than the previous high. So which is telling us that on a daily time frame the market is trending to the upward side as well again. But what can we do? Because the weekly is telling us we just break out of the ranging market, we have to go down. So the daily is not telling us yes, so we're trending back up. It's a trending market. So for us to know maybe we are going to get to the downward side, then we have to let the market form a new higher low for us. We have to have a new higher low. So if we have a new higher low and the market gets broken below the new higher low, then that is an invitation card for us to follow it to the downward side to this area. So that's it. And if the market fails to, if the market give us a new higher low and fails to break below the higher low and start going up, then that means are still going to the upper side. The market is not ready to invite us in to the downward side. That's it. Now we reanalyze the market and see what really happened as well again. So that is for GBP, and let's go to USD CHF, which is the last currency pair on our watch list for today. So we're going to go to the weekly time frame as well. On the weekly time frame, you can see the market is clearly ranging band market, very clearly ranging band market, because we have a low here, equal low, equal low, equal low. So it's very clearly ranging band. You see, and you see a very clearly ranging band market, very clear ranging band market. So what do we do with that? The only thing we can do with this now is let's go to a daily time frame and look for the micro trend direction on daily time frame before we can know where we are going to. So on a daily time frame now, we can see the market has rallied to the upper side without giving us maybe a higher low to the upper side, just rally directly to the upper side. And don't know what we can say about that, but for us to take the sell now, see the market is coming back and has gotten to this area. Maybe we can have another candlestick to the upper side, which will give us this as an higher low, which will give us that area as an higher low, which will give us that area as an higher low, should give us this area as an higher low. Before you see the breakout of this higher low, then we can take our sell to the downward side, shaking. But if eventually it doesn't go or something like that, then we have to leave it and let them ride on their own market. That doesn't concern us. And it may give us start going up. So that's it. That's one thing there. We have to have a higher low being formed around this region and break below the higher low. Then we can now start thinking about selling the market to the next support zone, which is the ranging band market. So that's everything I think we have to see about everything. So what I'm avoiding for this week is I'm avoiding EUR USD on a weekly time frame because it is a shopping market. Avoiding EUR USD on a weekly time frame because it's a shopping market, and I'm avoiding GBP USD sell for now until we have a micro trend direction that validates our strategy. So that's it. And on USD CHF as well again, we are waiting for the micro trend direction on a daily time frame again to validate our entry, to validate validate our invitation card, That's how I put it. That's what I'm avoiding for this week. Until we see all those things, then hands up, all hands on decks. We're not doing nothing. So I think for every traders this week, every trader's mindset for this week, I don't know, is to trade with patience. So for me, I'm staying patient. Structured is just forming. We have to let the structure form for us. Let the structure form, but the confirmation is the key. No risk, no fear, no forcing trade. Only clarity is what we are after. So that's everything. If you value calm structure weekly analysis like this, stay connected with Royal Infinitum analysis, which is consistent, yes, it's consistent, and always be here every Sunday. So trade with patience this week, see with clarity this week as well, move with purpose this week as well. See you next Sunday.